Hey everyone, this is Buddy from the Technology Department. We are excited to roll out for the 24-25 school year not only a new ticketing system for work orders, but also the ability for teachers to reset their students' passwords if they can't log in. So check this out. So the first thing that we're going to do once we log into our ClassLink is we're going to find the icon called IT Help Desk. We're going to double click on that. This is Incident IQ. This is where you'll put your work orders in. When you come to this ticket screen, your dashboard may look a little bit different than mine, but you should see a new ticket button right here. Here you will select the category. So we're going to say devices. You can type in the serial number or the service tag on the back of your laptop or Chromebook right here to find it immediately, or you can just search it using these categories. So I'm going to search Chromebook and I'm going to say Asus Flip. Now you select the category of issue that you're having. You don't have to look through all of these. You can just start typing. So if your screen is broken, we can start typing broken, and then you'll see one of the options that comes up is screen cracked. We'll click that. Here we will describe our issue. Laptop was dropped. And we do not have all the rooms in here populated yet, but what you can do is just put my room is not listed, and then you can type it in underneath. So we'll say room 202. And there is an option right here underneath the room where you can do a screen recording of an error that you're having, and you can even attach those videos or screenshots to the work order so that we can see it when it comes in. This next piece of required information is, does this ticket contain any protected student information? We're going to say no. You can add additional users here by searching their name if you want other staff members to be able to follow along with the progress of this ticket being created, and then you can attach any files and hit submit ticket. Once you hit submit ticket, it will be automatically assigned to a technician, and you will receive the updates on this ticket through your email all the way up until completion. And that is it. It's that simple to put a work order in through Incident IQ, our new IT help desk solution. Okay, and now for the second really cool feature that we are launching this year, and that is the ability for teachers to reset their students' passwords. As of this recording, we do not have schedules out, so just follow along on this website right here with these pictures. When you go into ClassLink, you can do a search for, or you will see a folder that says My Classes. If you click on that, once schedules are out, you will see your classes populated with the students in those classes. You can go down to students on the left-hand side, and you will see your students listed in each course, and you can check the box next to them and click Manage Students at the top. You will have the option at the top of the next screen where you'll see password to type in a temporary password for that student and hit reset. That student will, that's a temporary password that can only be used once for each student that you selected. They can sign in and then they can set their own password from there. So anytime you have students that have issues logging in because they can't remember their password or their password was changed, you can pretty quickly, using your My Classes app in ClassLink, reset that student's password and get them back in. Okay, and that is it for the two new features coming out this year. And as always, if you need any assistance on the new features that we're rolling out, just let us know in the technology department. And thanks for watching. Have a great school year.